Dear students, in the first 3 videos of this parabola chapter, I explained about the all concepts of parabola. Okay, so after that in the previous video I explained about first exercise important problems. Okay, now in this video I am going to explain about next second exercise important problems, previously repeated problems, and here I am covering all types of models, different types of models, different types of examples. Okay, right. So in the next video I am going to explain only that video completely for IIT JEE problems and MCET problems. That is also very important video. After that I will do ellipse and hyperbola. Okay, so learn the concepts and solve the problems. End of this video I am going to give some extra problems and also try to give some hints. Okay, so solve yourself. Okay, right. So first problem, find the equation of the tangent and normal to the parabola x square minus 4x minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0 at 4 comma 3 by 2. Okay, so if we draw the equation of the parabola of given equation, so this is the parabola graph. This is the graph of the parabola. Next 4 comma 3 by 2, this is the point for 1 2 3 4, and this is 3 by 2. So otherwise you can draw rough figure. Okay, so this is the point 4 comma 3 by 2, and this is the tangent line. Tangent means where the line touches the given curve at only one point is called as tangent. Okay, so we should find the equation of the tangent at this point, and also normal means the line which is perpendicular to tangent at given point is called as normal. So we should find the equations of these two lines. So how can we find? Okay, so for that we already derived in video number 3 about the equation of the tangent, equation of the normal in 3 different forms: slope form, Cartesian form, parametric form. Here I am using Cartesian form. Okay, so what is the Cartesian form of the tangent equation? S is equal y square is equal 4ax, that is s1 is equal to 0. If a parabola is given, then the tangent equation is s1 is equal to 0 here also. So what is the given parabola? This is given parabola and this is given point. Okay, write those things. Given parabola is this one and this is the point. Okay, now what is the equation of the tangent? Equation of the tangent is, what is the equation of the tangent? S1 is equal to 0. So S1, we should recall the notation of S1. What is S1 here? X1, like circle equation, x1 minus y1 plus 2g into x plus g into x plus x1, like that. So here x1 minus, we have 4x1, so we can write 2x into 2x, 2 2s are 4, right? So 2 into 2x, 2 into 2x means 2 into x plus x1. Okay, x plus x means 1x become x1. 2 into 4y, that means minus 2 into 4 into 2y, 4 2s are 8y, that 2y can be written as y plus y, so 1y written as y1 plus 12 is equal to 0. This is the notation of S1. So how it came in means, in circles you did many problems. So here also this 4 can be written as 2 into 2x, 2x can be written as x plus x1, 8y can be written as 4 into 2y, that y can be written as y plus y1. So if we replace x1 with x and y1 with y, again we will get same equation, right? Now x1 y1. Okay, so we should find the equation of the tangent at what? At where? P 4 comma 3 by 2. So what is the equation? X into, substitute 4 minus 2 into x plus 3 by 2 minus 4 into x1 value 4 minus 4 into y plus 3 by 2 plus 12 is equals to 0. Okay, do simplification. 4x minus 2 into x 2x, 2 4s 8, 4 into y 4y, 2 2s, so minus 4 into 3 minus 12 by 2, that means minus 6, plus 12 is equal to 0. So finally 4x minus 2x 2x minus 4y minus 8 minus 6 minus 14, minus 14 plus 12 minus 2 is equals to 0. So 2 taking common and cancel it, x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 is the equation of tangent at given point. Okay, right. So here we got the equation of the tangent. We can find the normal equation. Don't recall any formulas. By using this equation only we can find the equation of the normal. So equation of the normal is perpendicular to tangent. So here the slope of the tangent. What is the slope of this tangent line? What is the slope? Slope means minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Minus x coefficient 1 by y coefficient minus 2, that is 1 by 2. So now equation of the normal. Equation of the normal form. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So here what is the slope? Slope of the normal equation. What is the slope of the normal equation? Slope of the tangent and equation of the tangent, equation of the normal, both are perpendicular to each other, means here we should find perpendicular slope. 1 by 2 perpendicular slope minus 2. Okay, right. Substitute those points here. Y minus, what is y1? 3 by 2 is equal to m minus 2 into x minus x1. X minus, what is x1? 4. So 2 LCM, 2 into y, 2y, minus 3 is equal minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus into minus, plus 4, 8. Right. So multiply 2 here, again 2y minus 3 is equal to 2 to the minus 4x, 2 8 the 16. Bring 2 to right side and multiply. Now bring to left side. Minus 4x become plus 4x. Here we have plus 2y. Minus 16 become plus 16 become minus 16, minus 16 and minus 3, minus 19 is equals to 0. So this is the equation of the normal. Like this, if a parabola, if a equation of parabola and a point is given, we can find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal in this process. Okay. Second problem, find the value of k if the line 2y plus 2y is equal to 5x plus k is a tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 6x. Okay, so y square is equal to 6x is a parabola. There is a line that is maybe like this. I am drawing 2y is equal to 5x plus k is a line, y square is equal to 6x is a parabola. Okay, so this line should be tangent to the parabola, given parabola. So we learned the concept point of tangent. If a given line is tangent to the parabola, it should satisfy one condition. Recall that condition. What is that? Right, c is equal to a by m. By using that condition, we can find the value of k. Easy problem. Okay, right. So this is for very short question, very short answer type questions. So first of all, what is given parabola? Y square is equal to 6x. Now compare with y square is equal to 4ax. So if we compare, we will get 4a is equal to 6, a is equal to 6 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 2. We got the value of a. Next, from what is given line? 2y is equal to 5x plus k. Convert this as into y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c means divide total equation with 2. 2y by 2 it become y. Then 5 by 2 into x plus k by 2. So compare with y is equal to mx plus c. So here what is m? 5 by 2. What is c? K by 2. Okay. Now point of tangency. Condition for tangency. What is the condition for tangency? C is equal to a by m, or a is equal to c into m. Okay, or a is equal to cm. What is a value? What is the value of a? 3 by 2 is equal to c k by 2 into m 5 by 2. Okay, 1 2 gets cancelled. 5k, 5 into k, 5k is equal to, otherwise k is equal to 3 into, here we have 5 by 2, it become 2 by 5. Therefore what is the value of k? 3 to 6 by 5. So value of k is 6 by 5. Like this we can find the value of k. Okay. Next problem. Find the equation of the normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, which is parallel to y minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So if the problem is given like this, what we should do? Okay, so here this is the parabola, y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, so try to draw figure, related figure. So here the parabola is y square is equals to 4x. Okay, next line, what is the line? Y minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is just a line, y minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. This helps to find the equation of the normal. This is the not normal equation, this is a ordinary equation. Okay, now what is our question? Find the equation of the normal to the given parabola which is parallel to this one. Our normal line, the line which we are going to find a normal line, if for example like this. So these two are parallel, this is not a normal equation. If we draw a tangent here at this point, so this angle is not 90, so tangent and normal, these two are not perpendicular to each other. Somewhere there are many parallel lines to given line. So from those infinitely many parallel lines, only one line is normal to this parabola. Okay, so like here, so if we draw a tangent, those tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other, this is required normal maybe. Okay, so this is the concept of the problem. Okay, right. So we have three forms. We have three forms for normal equation. So from that here I am going to solve this problem by using normal equation, by using parametric equation, right? Okay, so first of all, same procedure, compare y square is equal to 4x with y square is equal to 4ax. So 4a is equal to 4, then a is equal to 1, right? Next, what is given line? Given line is y minus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Y minus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. What is the parametric equation of the normal? Parametric equation of the normal line in parametric form. Recall that equation, that is y plus xt is equal to 2at plus at cube. Okay, let this equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. This is the parabola. From parabola, this is the parabola. From parabola we got a value. This is given line, and this is the normal line. Okay, what is the condition? So this is normal line, this is our required This is a line. This is we are going to find a line which is parallel to y minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 and normal line. Okay, so this is the normal line in parametric form, and the condition is these two are parallel. These two are parallel means, recall the knowledge, if two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. That is the concept. Okay, so what is the slope? What is the slope of this line? Minus x coefficient, that is minus of minus 2 by y coefficient, that is 2. Here, what is the slope of this line? Minus x coefficient t by 1. Okay, so as they are from 1 and 2, as they are parallel, slopes are equal. m1 is equals to m2. So that means 2 is equal to minus 3, therefore t is equal to minus 2, right? So we got t value, substitute t value in this one, in 2. So we will get y plus x into minus 2 is equal to 2 into, what is the value of a? 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 2 whole cube. So y minus 2x is equals to 2 to the minus 4, right? Minus 2 whole cube, minus 8 minus 4, that is minus 12. So bring all terms to right side, minus 2x become plus 2x, minus 5, minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is the required normal line. Okay, required normal line which is parallel to given line. Okay, so these two are parallel, right? Slope of this line is 2 and slope of this line also, minus x coefficient 2 by minus 1, that is 2. Okay, so just two parallel lines are the coefficients a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by a2, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. Constants, two parallel equations are differ by a constant. Okay, so that is the concept. Next, find the equation of tangent to the parabola y square is equals to 16x. Equation of the tangent we should find. Inclined at an angle of 60 degrees. Here it is given angle with the axis of the parabola. Axis of the parabola, what is here axis of the parabola? X axis. And also find the point of contact. Okay. This is the parabola y square is equal to 16x. There is a tangent which making an angle with positive x-axis, that is 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. Okay, so then we should find the equation of the tangent and where the point, where the tangent is touching the parabola, that is called as point of contact. Okay, how can we find? So this is by using slope form. Okay, so how can we get slope? We have one formula, that is m is equal to tan theta. If angle is given, if an angle making with positive x, if a line making an angle with positive x axis, then the slope of the line is m is equals to tan theta, right? So by using those, we will find the equation of the tangent by using slope form. So solution. So y square is equal to 16x, given parabola, compare with y square is equal to 4ax, 4a is equal to 16, then a is equal to what? 4. So here we got the value of a. Next, slope is m is equal to tan theta. What is theta? 60 degrees. So tan 60 value is root 3. So therefore, what is the equation of the tangent if slope is given in slope form? That is y is equal to mx plus c. C means condition of tangency, that is c is equal to a by m. So this is the slope form of the equation of the tangent, right? Y is equals to m. What is the value of m here? Root 3 into x plus a value 4 by m value root 3. So y is equal to root 3 LCM, root 3 into root 3, 3x plus 4. So root 3 into y become root 3y is equal to 3x plus 4. So bring root 3y to right hand side, you will get 3x minus root 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is required tangent equation of the tangent. Okay, Now one more question he asked, that is point of contact. What is the formula for point of contact? Recall that formula. So point of contact is what is that? A by m square comma 2a by m. So this is the point of contact formula, right? What is a here? 4 by m square root 3 square comma 2a 4 by m root 3. So finally 4 by root 3 whole square, 3 2 4s 8 by root 3. So 4 by 3 comma 8 by root 3 is the point of contact. Like this we can find the equation of the tangent and point of contact. Fifth problem. First four problems are short, very short answer type questions. Next, this one long answer type problem, that is if Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0 is a normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax is a parabola. Here p of t or px1 y1 be any point on the parabola. Here at this point normal equation is given, that is Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0. Then show that the condition is al cube plus 2al m square plus nm square is equal to 0. That means solve these two equations and substitute, you will get. Okay, right, simple problem. What is the equation of the parabola? That is y square is equal to 4ax. Next, equation of the normal also given. Equation of the normal. What is the equation of the normal? Lx plus my plus n is equals to 0. Equation number 1, 2. Okay, equation of the normal to the parabola at one point is given, that is Lx plus My plus n is equals to 0. Now recall what is the formula for normal equation of the normal in parametric form. This problem also can be done by using parametric method. Okay, so we have three forms: slope form, Cartesian form, parametric form. Sometimes parametric form is very easy to solve the given problem. Okay, right. So what is the equation of the normal? Equation of the normal at a point t, at p of t. What is the equation of the normal? Y plus xt is equals to 2at plus at cube. So write in order, that is tx plus y, tx plus y bring to left side, minus 2at minus at cube is equals to 0. This is equation number 3. What is this equation? Equation of the normal. Where? At point t. What is this equation? That is also a normal line at point t. That means these two are normal lines to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax at same point. That means these two are lines are represents this line, both are normal lines, same line. These two represents same line. That means recall one concept in from 10th class, that though if two lines are coincident lines or if two lines represent same line, then the ratio of their coefficient, that means a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2, which you learned in 10th class. Okay, so apply that concept here. So 2 and 3 represent same lines, so their coefficients are in the same ratio. That means L by T is equals to m by 1 is equals to n by minus 2at, constant here. X coefficient ratio, y coefficient ratio and constant ratio are equal, right? Now compare these two and solve it. Okay, right. So that means we should eliminate a t by using these conditions. Okay, now L by T is equals to what? M by 1. From this T is equal to L by M, cross multiplication. So T is equal to what? L by M. Next from this from this m is equals to n by minus 2at minus at cube. Do cross multiplication. So m into minus 2at minus at cube is equals to n. Substitute t value here in this equation. Okay. Then what? M into minus 2at minus 2amt. What is the value of t? L by m. Next, m into minus a minus amt cube. What is the value of t? L by m whole cube is equals to n. 1m gets cancelled. Minus 2al minus am l cube by m cube is equals to n. 1m gets cancelled, where m square is remaining. So take LCM. M square is LCM. M square into minus 2a minus 2al m square minus al cube is equal to n. Do cross multiplication and rearrange the terms. Minus 2al m square minus al cube is equal to m square into n. So bring left side terms to right side, you will get a required condition. That is minus al cube become plus al cube minus 2al square 2al m square plus m square n is equal to 0. Okay, so important problem for long answer type questions. Simple problem. Okay, write parabola and write two normal equations. So those two represent same line, and compare those coefficients, solve those, you will get required condition. Simple problem, practice it. Next, one more very important long answer type question. These type of questions are repeated in circles also. Okay, circles in circle chapter also you did the problems which are like this. Okay, so first one, show that the equation of common tangents to the circle and parabola are that one. Okay, so circle is given, parabola is given, so we should find the common tangent to the circle and parabola like this. These are the two common tangents, plus or minus we have. Okay, so first what is the equation of the parabola? Y square is equal to 8ax. Next, circle, x square plus y square is equal to 2a square. 2a square means we can write root 2a whole square, that is of the form. Okay, so here observe, x square plus y square is equal to root 2a whole square. That means it is of the form x square plus y square is equal to r square. Okay, what is the character of that type of circle? That circle is centered at origin, and with radius root 2a. With radius what? Root 2a. Right? Next, that is the geometry of the given circle. Next, what is the parabola? Y square is equal to 8ax. It is of the form y square is equal to 4ax. It opens right side and passing through origin. Vertex is located at origin. Okay, so these are the two geometry figures. Okay, now we should find common tangent, equation of the common tangent. Common tangent means that is a tangent to the given parabola and also tangent to our circle. Okay, so here we will get two tangents. One is here, which is touching circle and as well as parabola. So this is also one more tangent. So these are the two tangents we are going to find. Okay, how can we find? So first of all, find the equation of the tangent of the parabola. Okay, so it is also a tangent to a circle means, so we learn the concept, if a line is tangent to the circle, then the radius and perpendicular distance from origin to the line. Perpendicular distance from origin to the line and radius, both must and should be equal. So we are going to solve this problem by using this concept. Okay, right. So first of all, equation of the tangent to given parabola with slope m, okay, and here 4a is equals to 8a, then okay, capital A I am denoting as capital A. Y square is equal to 4ax, y square is equal to 4 capital Ax. So 4a is equal to 8a. From that, a capital A is equal to what? 2a. Cut chest. Okay. Now, what is the slope form? Equation of tangent in slope form. Y is equal to mx plus a by m. Y is equal to mx plus a by m. So y is equal to mx plus capital A by m. What is capital A here? 2a by m. Okay. Do LCM. M into m square x plus 2a. Right. So bring to right side. Left side, my is equal to m square x plus 2a. So rearrange the terms, you will get m square x minus my plus 2a is equals to 0. Okay, right. So m square x minus my plus 2a is equal to 0. This is equation number, okay, this is equation number 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, m square x minus my plus 2a is equal to 0. What is this? Equation of the tangent to the parabola. This tangent to the parabola also tangent to the circle. So it is tangent to the circle if it satisfies r is equal to d. That means radius is equal to perpendicular distance. Okay. Equation 3 is also tangent to the circle if r is equal to d. Radius is equal to, this radius is equal to perpendicular distance from the origin. So what is the radius? Root 2a. Root 2a is equal to, what is d? D means perpendicular distance. From where? From origin to equation 3. Equation 3 means tangent. Okay, right. So root 2a is equal to perpendicular distance formula, modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. What is a here? A value how much? M square into 0 plus b value minus m. Otherwise we directly we have the formula modulus of c by under root of a square plus b square if a point is 0 comma 0. Okay, so minus m into 0 plus 2a by under root of a square. A square means m square whole square, b square minus m whole square. Okay, right. Okay, I am writing here m square x minus my plus 2a is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Recall this equation. Remember the equation. Right. Now squaring on both sides, you will get root 2a whole square. Here 0 0 2a whole square by root m square whole square means m power 4 minus m whole square, m square whole square. Right, root 2a whole square, that means 2a square is equal to 4a square by m power 4 plus m square. Okay, a square gets cancelled, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Do cross multiplication, you will get m power 4 plus m square is equals to 2. Then m power 4 plus m square minus 2 is equal to 0. Then factorize this one. M power 4 plus 2m square minus m square minus 2 is equal to 0. If we add these two, we will get m square. If we multiply these two, we will get minus 2m power 4. So do careful factorization. M square taking as common, m square plus 2 remaining, minus 1 common, m square plus 2 remaining. So again m square plus 2 is common. What is remaining? M square minus 1 is equals to 0. So that means either m square plus 2 is equals to 0 or m square minus 1 is equals to 0. So if m square plus 2 is equal to 0 or m square minus 1 is equal to 0, m square is equal to minus 2, there is no real number whose square is negative. There is no real number whose square is negative, so this is not valid. In this case, we will not get any m value. So here m square is equal to 1, then m is equal to what? Plus or minus 1. So we got m value here. M is equal plus or minus 1. Substitute in 3. Substitute in 3. What is 3? This is the equation of the tangent to parabola and common tangent. Parabola and circle. So substitute in 3 we will get. So therefore equations of the tangent, equation of the tangent is m square x, that means plus or minus 1 whole square into x minus m plus or minus otherwise what is the equation of the tangent? Y is equal to mx plus c value 2a by m, mx plus c, very first equation we got y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal m value plus or minus 1 into x plus 2a by m plus or minus 1. Okay, right. So y is equal to here we have plus or minus 1, here plus or minus 1 can common, then we will get x plus 2a. So therefore we got in this one we have two equations. One is y is equal to x plus 2a and another one is y is equal minus of x plus 2a. These two are common tangents to circle and parabola. Circle and parabola. Like this we can find the equation of the common tangents. The normal at a point t1 on y square is equal to 4ax meets the parabola again in the point t2, then prove that t1 t2 plus t1 square plus 2 is equals to 0. So this is a parabola, y square is equal to 4ax. This is normal equation. Okay, so the normal at a point t1, this is a point t1. T1 means in parametric form we can indicate as a t1 square comma 2a t1. Next this means the parabola again in the point at t2. So this is the parabola, this is the normal at a t1, again it means another end, that is t2, a t2 square comma 2a t2. Okay, right, then prove that this is the condition. Okay, right. So simple problem, sometimes asking for 7 marks question. So write given data, given parabola is y square is equal to 4ax and those 2 points are, one is t1 2a t1 square comma 2a t1 and another point t2, that is a t2 square comma 2a t2, right? These are the 2 points and that is the normal equation, right? So y square is equal, for y square equal to 4ax, what is the equation of the normal in parametric form at t1? What is the equation of the normal? Y plus x t1 is equal to 2a t1 plus a t1 cube. Remember formulas. This is the equation of the normal in parametric form. So at t1 means substitute at the place of t1. Okay, now this is the normal line, right? Okay, so what is given condition? There is another point t2 which lies on this normal line, This parabola, this is the normal line meet parabola at t1 and t2, means t1 and t2 both lies on the same normal line. Okay, right. So given t2, that is at2 square comma 2at2 lies on 1. So if a point lies on a straight line, it must and should satisfy that equation. So therefore substitute this one. This is x value, this is y value. Substitute, you will get 2at2 y value. Yes, what is the value of x here? at2 square into t1. So this is equal to 2at1 plus at1 cube. So bring these terms to left side or these terms to right side. You will get 2at1 plus at1 cube minus 2at2 minus at1 t2 square is equals to 0. Bring these two terms to right hand side. Now what is common in these two? 2a is common. What is remaining? t1 minus t2. Next, what is common in these two? a common and also t1 common. What is remaining here? 3 from 3 t1s, 1 t1 is common, 2 t1s are remaining, minus t2 square is equal to 0. So next 2a into t1 minus t2 plus a t1 into, this can be written as t1 minus a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Again, what is common in these two? a t1 minus t2. So here only I am writing a into t1 minus t2 is common. What is remaining? 2. So a t1 minus t2 common, 2 plus a common, t1 minus t2 common. What is remaining here? t1 into t1 plus t2 is equal to 0. So observe here. So product is equal to 0 means a should be 0, but a not equal to 0. Why? Means it is parabola. A is the length of distance between vertex and focus. Next, t1 minus t2 is equals to 0. That means t1 is equal to t2. This is also not right. Why means the t1 and t2 are not equal. These two are distinct, different points. So those two are not equal. So these two are not equal 0. So therefore must and should be the third term must and should be equal to 0. That is 2 into t1 plus t2 is equals to 0. So 2 plus t1 into t1 square, then t1 into t2 is equals to 0. Therefore t1 t2 plus t1 square plus 2 is equal to 0, which is our required condition. Okay, so simple problem. So if you get this problem to 7 marks question, don't lose 7 marks. So do practice. One more problem. From an external point P, tangents are drawn to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. So here from external point we can draw two tangents line to the parabola. Here y square is equal to 4x parabola. Let the point is P. So like this we have many points. So from that points we have to draw tangent lines. Okay, so two tangent lines we can draw. Let the slope of one tangent line is m1 and the slope of another tangent line is m2. So m1 is making, this line is making theta 1 angle with the positive x-axis, and these tangents are making angles theta 1 theta 2 with its axis. Next m2, second line with the slope m2 making angle with positive x-axis, that is theta 2, such that one condition is given, cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 is a constant, that is g. Then show that P lies on horizontal line, such P's. So here I took only one point, I drawn two tangent lines. Like that we can take some more points and tangents, two tangents. So like that draw tangents, such P's are lies on a horizontal line. Okay, we should show like this, lies on a horizontal line. Okay, right. So for that here the discussion is about tangent. That means y square is equal to 4ax. Let P is a point on the tangent, that is x1 comma y1. That means P lies on this tangent line and this tangent line also. So P x1 y1 be a point on the line. So that means this satisfies y1 square is equal to 4ax1. So what is the equation of the tangent? Equation of the tangent in slope form. What is that? Y is equal to m1x mx1 plus a by m. Y1 is equal, y is equal mx plus a by m. So x1 y1 lies on that line, means substitute that point in equation 2. You will get y1 is equal to mx1 plus a by m. Do cross multiplication and LCM and rearrange the terms. You will get my1 is equal to m square x1 plus a. So x m square x1 m square minus y1 m plus a is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in terms of m, right? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 type. Okay, so compare. This is x square m square x m. So what is the value of a here? x1. What is the value of b here? Minus y1. c a. Okay, so right now here I am recalling previous knowledge. What is the, okay, here this is a quadratic equation in terms of m. So we have two zeros, two roots. Those are called as m1 and m2. Okay, so recall one previous knowledge, that is m1 plus m2 sum of the roots concept. Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. So roots of this quadratic equation is m1 m2. Sum of the roots is equal minus b by a. Minus b by a is equal to minus of minus y1 by x1. That means y1 by x1. Next, product of the roots. Product of the roots concept also I am writing here. Product of the roots is equal to c by a. So product of the roots m1 m2 is equal to what is c? A by a x1. Okay, so this is product of the roots, this is sum of the roots. Now what is given condition? Cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 is equals to d. Cot theta 1 can be written as 1 by tan theta 1 plus 1 by tan theta 2 is equal to d. Now let the slope of this tangent is m1 and making theta 1 means m1 is equal to what? Tan theta 1. And this is the line passing through P making angle theta 2, though that's why slope of this line is m2 is equal to tan theta 2. Slope of this line m1 tan theta 1, m2 tan theta 2. So substitute here 1 by m1 plus 1 by m2 is equals to d. So take LCM, m1 m2 plus m1 is equal to d. So m1 plus m2 is equal to d into m1 m2. Now what is m1 plus m2 from here? That is y1 by x1 is equal to d into what is m1 m2? A by x1, right? So x1 cancel, y1 is equal to dA, therefore y is equal to dA. What is d? Constant. What is a? It is also a constant. It is a constant from focus. So constant into constant, constant. So this is y is equal some constant. So y is equal to k represents what? It is a line parallel to x-axis. That means it is horizontal line. So those p's are lies on a horizontal line, right? Okay. Last problem. If a normal chord a point t on the parabola y square is equal to 4x subtends a right angle at vertex, then prove that t is equal plus or minus root 2. Okay, so recall the concept of homogenizing, which you learnt in first year intermediate pair of straight line equations. Okay, so when we should apply homogenizing concept, listen carefully. Here we have one curve, that is parabola y square is equal to 4ax, and a normal chord, this is a normal and a chord. Okay, normal line at point t, 2a at point t means parametric form 2a comma 8 square, which is a chord to the parabola. Okay, which makes a right angle, which subtends a right angle at vertex. Okay, which subtends a right angle at vertex, that means 90 degrees at vertex 0 comma 0. Okay, now recall that concept when we should use. So there is a curve and there is a line, then we will get two intersecting points. So these two, from these two intersecting points, these two are making right angle, which means these two are pair of lines, pair of straight lines which are passing through origin. That means that is of the form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. That is homogeneous equation. So that's why here we did some very important problems in pair of straight lines chapter. That is, from that compulsory you will get long answer question in first year second B paper, right? So use that concept. Okay, what we have to do here, solution. What is given parabola? Given parabola is y square is equal to 4ax, that is equation number 1. Okay, next equation of the normal at t. Okay, what is the equation of the normal? Y plus xt is equal to 2at plus at cube. What is the concept of homogenizing? So first of all, bring constant to left side, that means divide it. 2at plus at cube is equal to 1. This is equation number 2. So from linear equation we have to convert the linear equation like this, is equal to 1 form. Then in the parabola equation, multiply with linear means that is x y's with 1 and constants with 1 square. Here in this equation we don't have any constant, only we have linear term. So multiply that linear with 1. That is the concept of homogenizing. So homogenizing 1 with respect to 2. Okay, so then y square is equal 4ax into 1. Multiply this equation with 1. That is the concept of homogenization. So multiply linear x with 1. If we have one single one, linear y with 1, and if we have constant, that multiply constant with 1 square. So here only we have linear, so multiply with 1. What is the value of 1 from linear? So that is y square is equal 4ax into y plus xt by 2at plus at cube. Okay, right, now solve this. 4a, what is common in denominator? A. So 2t plus t cube is remaining. A gets cancelled. Do cross multiplication. Y square into 2t plus t cube is equal 4 into y, 4y plus 4 into xt, 4xt. Right, next. Okay, so 4x square t minus of 2t plus t cube into y square plus 4xy is equals to 0. So this is the combined equation. So this is of the form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. So combined equation of these two lines, that is homogeneous equation, right? So if the angle between these two lines is 90 degrees, then we have one property. If PAQ is equals to 90 degrees, we have one condition, that is coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. What is coefficient of x square here? 4t plus minus of y square coefficient 2t plus t cube is equal to 0. So 4t minus 2t, this into minus 2t minus t cube is equal to 0. 4t minus 2t, 2t minus t cube is equal to 0. T taking common, 2 minus t square is equal to 0. So product of these two terms means 0. T equal to 0, but t should not be 0. T is point here. So then what is 0? 2 minus t square must and should be 0. So t square is equals to 2, then t is equal to plus or minus root 2. So this is the condition, right? So like this we have to solve the problems clearly. Okay, so now we are in end of the lecture. So here I am giving some more important problems and hints to those problems. Solve yourself. Okay, these are example problems of your textbook, so solve by using these hints. Okay, two important problems I explained in lecture 2. Okay, so if lecture 2, if directrix, if a parabola equation is given, then how to find focus, directrix, equation of directrix, equation of axis, vertex, like that. So convert the given parabola equation into by using completing square method into any of the 8 forms and compare, then find those values. Next, second problem is about if 3 points are given in parabola, then how to find the equation of the parabola. Those two are very very important problems. So and also I given extra problems in that ending of that video. Okay, solve those problems. Now here 3 important problems. One is show that the common tangent to the parabola y square is equal 4x and x square is equal 4by is this one. Okay, here the hint is two parabolas are there. One is y square is equal 4ax and another one is x square is equal 4ay open. X square is equal 4ay open upward, y square is equal 4ax open right side. So this is the common tangent. Okay, so we should find like that. So first of all I am taking y square is equal 4ax. What is the tangent equation? Y is equal mx plus a by m. This one to this is also tangent to this equation. Okay, so what is the condition for tangency? Here I given one more problem. Find the condition for the line y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to x square is equal 4ay. So we find the condition for tangency of y is equal to mx plus c to y square is equal 4ax in tangents and normals video. So in the same concept you can find y is equal to mx plus c tangent to x square plus 4ay. Condition for tangency is am square plus c is equals to 0. So here use that condition. The condition is bm square plus c is equal to 0. Why? Because here b is given. Okay, now this is equation related to this. This is the condition to this. So the tangent is tangent to x square is equal to 4by also. Therefore solve these two equations. Then you will get m value is equal to minus a by b whole power 1 by 3. So substitute that m value in first equation, you will get this answer. Okay, follow these hints. Next, one more important problem. Prove that two parabolas, one is y square is equal to 4x and another one is x square is equal to 4by. Same parabolas intersect at an angle of tan inverse. So these two parabolas intersect at an angle. Okay, so this angle is this one. So how can we prove? Okay, using applications of derivatives concept. So solve these two parabolas, squaring on both sides, you will get y power 4 is equal to 4ax square. Substitute x square here and you will get y value as 4a power 2 by 3, b power 1 by 3. Then substitute y value here, you will get a value 4a power 1 by 3, b power 2 by 3. So this is the point of contact. Okay, point of intersection of those two parabolas. Okay, so differentiate with respect to x, you will get slope m1. Substitute this point also. Next, differentiate this parabola with respect to x, you will get slope, that is dy by dx m2 is equal. Substitute this point also, you will get another slope. So you will get m1 and m2. What is the angle between these two curves? Tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This is the formula. Substitute these two m1 m2 values and you will get this one. Okay, right. Now last problem. Prove that the area of the triangle formed by the tangents at x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 on parabola y square is equal to 4ax is 1 by 16a into modulus of y1 minus y2 into y2 minus y3 into y3 minus y1 square units. So similar problem I explained in previous video. Okay, so that is the area formed with these 3 points a b c. The area is 1 by 80 times of y1 minus y2 into this one. So here the condition is draw tangents at a and at b and at c. Okay, so these 3 tangents form a triangle. Okay, so we should find the area of that triangle. How can we find? By using parametric equations. So take 3 points in parametric form. What is the equation of the tangent? Y x minus yt1 plus at1 square is equal to 0 at second point t2, at third point t3. These are the 3 tangents, right? So solve these 2 tangents, you will get the value of p, these 2 tangents t2, t1. Solving equations, you are very familiar with solving equations. Solve these 2 equations, you will get 1 point. Solve these 2 equations, you will get a q point. Solve 1 and 3, you will get r point, p, q, r. Then already I given that formula in previous video, that is area of triangle PQR when 3 points are given, that is a t1 t2 a into t1 plus t2 1. So write all these points vertically and third column keep it as 1. Okay, so absolute value of 1 by 2 into this one. So do taking a common here in first row, first column, a common in second column, then do row operations and solve it. It is clearly solved in your textbook example problems. Okay, so these are the very important problems which are in 2 exercises which are repeated many times in intermediate public examinations. So please do practice, okay, and get clarity. If you did not get clarity, revise that video, compulsory you will get clarity. Okay, right. So next video, in the next video I am going to explain about IIT JEE and previous MSET problems completely, that is dedicated to that IIT JEE MSET problems only. After that I will explain about ellipse and hyperbola. Okay, right. Thank you.